Alright, this week I'm continuing my Frozen Entree February theme, and this week we have Weight Watchers Smart Ones. Classic favorites: chicken enchiladas Suiza. Chicken enchiladas Suiza in a zesty light sour cream and green chili sauce with Spanish rice. And we have gluten-free, 290 calories, all the other specs right here. See here, even our packaging is smart. Aside from taking great care to make our delicious food, we also care about how it's packaged. The product you are about to enjoy is served in our smart tray that's made exclusively for smart ones. For the environment, our tray is made with natural minerals to reduce plastic. 30% less plastic than conventional frozen meal trays. 100% recyclable. For you, no colors or dyes. Like always, our tray is BPA free. Safe to cook in your microwave. Microwave oven only, actually. And we have vitamin A 8%, vitamin C 10%, calcium 10%, iron 6%. Okay, okay. And let's look at the ingredients. Alright, I've taken time to cook and plate this meal, and say presentation wise, it's fairly close. Has a pretty good flavor. The only thing that I have issues with is the see this big gluten-free thing right here, and you look at the ingredients and you have all this stuff. Kind of throws a red flag. I'm not saying that this isn't gluten-free, I'm just saying it's kind of suspicious that something with that would be gluten-free would have so much stuff in it. You know, if you've watched my Tasty Thursdays for a while, you know how I feel about sci-fi ingredients, so not even gonna go there. But other than that, it seems like a pretty decent product. I wish, instead of doing this, that they would put some of the information on here, and then break down what they actually have. You know, they could break down, you know, the tortilla, the rice, the sauce, a little bit more easier to read. But other than that, I say they have a pretty decent product for, you know, being a frozen food entree. You can't really expect it to be like home cooking. But other than that, I have nothing more to really say about this one. I'm gonna go warm up Netflix and watch a little Quantum Leap. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any suggestions, just shoot me a message. Thanks again, and have a nice day. Hello, if this is the first time you're watching my Tasty Thursday web series, I want to thank you for checking out my content. And if you like it enough that you want to become a patron and have your name appear on this screen, you can check out the link that is mentioned right here. You can search that up and you can see about how you can go about doing that. I want to thank you for just watching my video, and if you want to get in touch with me, you can check out Twitter or comment below. Once again, thank you for watching.